the party discussed at length the impact of COVID-19 and is supportive of His Excellency, the President and First Secretary's National Response Plan and the COVID-19 task force aimed at tackling this scourge in real time. As the party, we've been proactive in taking the fight against COVID-19 by ensuring that all provinces had to commence dissemination of COVID-19 education and awareness campaigns to all the party structures as a result of de-escalating the impact of COVID-19. Party headquarters, provinces, and districts will, with immediate effect, be manned by a skeleton staff to be determined by my office until further notice. Politburo received the commissary report and welcomed the recent resounding victories by the party in the Mwenezi Ward 16, Chimanimani Ward 16, and Mangwe Ward 17, respectively. Though we did not do well in Kuwadzana, Ward 44, and Chegud Ward 2, the party will continue to mobilize aggressively as part of the 5 million membership campaign towards the 2023 harmonized elections. Politburo took note of the real issues which impact on our urban footprint, and these will be taken into account for future campaigns. Politburo also discussed at length issues surrounding the conduct of party cadres deployed to Parliament. I'm talking about the MPs that we have deployed to Parliament. More importantly, corrective measures will be taken against the cadres who do not commit themselves to the processes of Parliament. For example, absenteeism from Parliament, and which lead to lack of quorums. You know, we've had instances where debate in Parliament has had to be adjourned due to lack of the requisite quorum. And we're saying to our members that should not be done and will not be tolerated by the party. The Youth League was applauded for its invigorated programs. Firstly, its efforts to prevent COVID-19 through the Zimbabwean Nurses Association, who have been providing voluntary services since the time when medical staff embarked on job stairway. The efforts being directed by the youth to leverage finance products from Empower Bank for its members is a welcome intervention, as this will go a long way in self-empowerment. And inroads are being made in the acquisition of land in the provinces. More opportunities will abound for youth to engage in agriculture, manufacturing, and mining. And there's my last point from today's deliberations by the Politburo.